Namaste. 4th Standard English Video 12. Welcome to our English class. In the last class, I asked you to do some activities. Hope all of you did the activities. What was the first one? First one. You sow a roasted seed and examine its changes. What will happen if we sow a roasted one? Yeah, give me the answer. The roasted seeds never sprout. Roasted seeds never sprout. Then, what was the second activity? What are the things needed to grow a seed? What are the things needed to grow a seed? Water, soil, manure and sunlight. What are the things? Water, soil, manure and sunlight. Then I asked you to find out the rhyming words for the following. What are the words? Just listen. Seed. Find out the rhyming words for the word seed. Speed, feed, read. You write only two. Seed, feed, read. Sow, grow, blow. Sow, grow, blow. Little kettle turtle. Little kettle turtle. Pat, that, fat. Pat, fat, that. Wish, dish, fish. Wish, dish, fish. Sun, fun, bun. Sun, fun, bun. Shower, flower, cloud. Shower, flower, cloud. Okay? Hope all of you got the answers. You copied your notebook and ask your mom to take dictation and send me the marks. Okay. Now, look at the page number 19. Read the poem. Seeds. A little seed for me to sow. A little earth to make it grow. A little wood, a little pat, a little wish, and that is that. A little sun, a little shower, a little wine, and then a flower. So, my dears, all of you study this well by heart. Learn this poem by heart and send me its video also. Okay, all of you learn this poem by heart and send me its video also. Okay, so next, all of you take out page number 21. Look at page number 21. All of you read with me. This is a group song. Read and enjoy the song. So my dears, after this class, after watching this video, all of you read the poem many times. Then you act this. Act. So I like action song. Make a video of this poem. Make an action song based on this poem. While singing the poem, you do some actions. No need to sing as by heart. You can look at the textbook with your friends, with your siblings. Chorus, you can do this. Or if you don't have any siblings, no friends, with your family members, with your mom or your dad, grandfather, grandmother, with the help of them, you can do this one. You read the poem and based on this poem, make action song. While singing this poem, you do some actions. That I mean. And send me its video also. You take your own time, no problem. I don't want to the next day onwards. You take your own time and send me this one's video also. Keep in your mind while singing the song, you do some action also. Some actions also. First I will read. While I am reading, you also follow me and put your finger and read loudly. Okay. Each line you read loudly. Think you are there in the classroom. So, while I am reading, you also follow me, read loudly. Let's start. Heading: oats, peas, beans and barley. Together, all of you, together. Sing with me. All of you, please sing with me. Oats, peas, beans and barley grow. Oats, peas, beans and barley grow. Do you, I or anyone know how oats, peas, beans and barley grow? First the farmer sow his seed. There you do the action of sowing. First the farmer sows his seed. Then he stands and takes his keys. He stamps his feet and claps his hands and turn around to view his land. And turn around to view his land. Turn around to view his land. Again, walking with a partner. You can act like this. Walking with a partner. Make a ring. Oh, make a ring. Walking with a partner. Walking with a partner. Make a ring. There you can walk and you can make a ring with your family members or your friends. Oh, while we happily dance and sing. That action also you can do. While we happily dance and sing. While we happily dance and sing. Like that action also you can do. Then the farmer waters the ground. Farmers waters the ground with the sunshine all around. He stamps his feet, hand claps his hands and turn around to view his land. Simple one. So, my dears, you can do better than me, that I know. That is why I am asking all of you, read the poem and make it as an action song. And send me its video. You can take your own time and send me. Okay. I don't want tomorrow and day after tomorrow. You take your own time and send me. Okay. And my dears, if you have any doubts, you can call me. No problem. Anytime you can call me. Okay. So two activities now I gave you one. The first one, this one. All of you by heart the poem. For this one also, you can take your own time. And second one, prepare an action song based on this poem. An action song based on this poem. And send me this video also. Okay. Now, all of you take page number 25. Page number 25. This one also an easy activity. To do this, I ask you to find out the meaning of the words. Find out the meaning of the following words. Sowing. Sowing. We always, if you want to sprout a seed, first we dig the ground. Digging. First we dig the ground. Then we sow the seed in it. Sow the seed in it. Then water the seed. After 2-3 weeks, the seed will become a plant. Then after that, we planting the plants. Then we watering the plant. Then we manuring it. After that, we reap the plants. Reap. So I think all of you got the meanings of following words: sowing, planting, watering, manuring, reaping, and digging. Got it? So, my dears, take out page number 25 and read activity 6. Read it. Pingala sowed the seed in a pot in his garden. Got it? What is meant by that? Give me the answer in Malayalam. Try. Pingala sowed the seed in a pot in his garden. Understood? Have you ever sown a seed? What is meant by that? Have you ever sown a seed? Yes, you did it. I asked you to sow the seed and send me photos. After that, in the last class, I asked you to sow a roasted one also. Isn't it? So all of you sowed the seed. There you can write yes. Have you ever sown seeds? Yes. I asked you to do that. That's why I'm saying you did it. So there you write yes. What are the activities connected with cultivation? What are the activities connected with cultivation? What are the activities connected with cultivation? That's a new word. Cultivation. You look at your dictionary and find out its meaning. Cultivation. If you are not getting the meaning, ask me personally. If you ask me, I will give you the answer. If I give you the meaning now, you will never look at the dictionary. That is why, if you look in the dictionary and if you are finding the meaning, that meaning will always be in your mind. That is why I am asking you to find out the meanings yourself. Okay. So, cultivation. Cultivation. What are the activities connected with cultivation? These are the activities. Now you got the meaning. Digging, sowing. First one, digging. Second one, sowing. Third one, planting, watering, manuring, and reaping. These are the activities connected with cultivation. Okay. That cultivation you did. I asked you to sow a seed. Then I asked you to water the seed every day, manure it, and examine its changes comes on it. That is the cultivation. First, to sow a seed, first you dig the ground, then sow the seed, planting, watering, manuring, and reaping. This is the order. So now, my dears, some activities related to cultivation are given below. These are the activities related to cultivation: sowing, planting, watering, manuring, reaping, and digging. Match the pictures with the action by drawing lines. Which one? This one. Look at the picture. Digging. Digging. So here digging is here. So you can draw a line from here to here. All of you do that. Digging. First one. Then what is this? Sowing. Seed is sowing. The farmer is sowing the seed. So you can draw a line from here to here. Planting. Third one. Planting. Look at the picture. Planting. So you can draw a line from here to here or here to here. Planting. Then watering. Watering. You can Draw a line like this. Manuring. Here the farmer is manuring the seed. Then reaping. Last one, reaping. Okay, got it? Clear? So my guess, while you are doing the activities, first you read the instruction thoroughly. Okay, if you are not getting an idea about that, you can call me personally. Anytime you can call me. While you are doing the activities, you are not getting an idea about that, you can call me. So this one, first you read the activity, and this one is easy. Match the picture with the words. All of you know the meaning, so it's easy for you to match. First one, sowing. Sorry, first one, digging. Second one, sowing. Third one, planting. Watering, manuring, reaping. Okay, then read under that picture, read that line. Now, arrange the activities in the proper order. Arrange these activities, cultivation activities, in proper order. Easy. Which one will come first? Digging. Without digging, we can sow a seed. First one, digging. Second one, sowing, planting, watering, manuring, and reaping. Okay. Here also we can add watering. For the seed also need water to sprout. So here also we can add watering. But you just write like this: digging, sowing, planting, watering, manuring, and reaping. Got it? So all of you do this one. First you match the picture with the words, then you arrange the words in the proper order. Arrange the activities in the proper order. Okay. Got it? So once more, I repeat. Once again, I repeat. What are the activities you want to do? First one, read and enjoy the poem. This one. Before that, you learn this one. And today's activity, first one, read and enjoy the poem. Then, sing an action song. Sing and act this poem and send me its video. Make an action song based on this poem. Then third one, and do activity 6. And you copy this. Activities connected with cultivation. Find out the meaning of the word cultivation. Then you write down this one also. These are the activities related with cultivation. What are the activities related with cultivation? Digging, sowing, planting, watering, manuring, and reaping. Okay. Then next activity, you do this one. Same one, do activity 6 and arrange the activities with connected with cultivation in its proper order and send it to me. Okay. See you in our next class. Bye.